Section 5. Who must prosecute criminal actions? All criminal actions commenced by a complaint or information shall be prosecuted under work direction and control of the prosecutor. However, in municipal trial courts or municipal circuit trial courts, and the prosecutor assigned thereto or to the case is available, the offended party or any peace officer, public officer charged with the enforcement of the law violated may prosecute the case. This authority shall cease upon actual prosecution or upon elevation of the case to the regional trial court. Then Amendment number 0227, effective May 1, 2002. Latest amendment to Section 5, Rule 110 of the Revised Rule of Criminal Procedures, which provides Section 5 who must prosecute criminal actions. All criminal actions commenced by the complaint or information shall be prosecuted under the direction and control of the prosecutor. And in case of heavy work schedule of the public prosecutor, in the event of lack of public prosecutors, the private prosecutor may be authorized in writing by the chief of the prosecution officer or the regional state prosecutor to prosecute the case subject to the approval of the court. Once so authorized to prosecute the criminal action, then the private prosecutor shall continue to prosecute the case and up to end of the trial, even if in the absence of the public prosecutor, unless the authority is revoked or otherwise withdrawn. The crimes of adultery and concubinage shall not be prosecuted except upon a complaint filed by the offended spouse. The offended party cannot institute criminal prosecution without including the guilty parties if both are alive, nor in any case if the offended party has consented to the offense or pardoned the offenders. The offenses of seduction, abduction, and acts of lasciviousness shall not be prosecuted upon a complaint filed by the offended party of her parents, grandparents, or guardian, nor in any case if the offender has been expressly pardoned by any of them. If the offended party dies or become incapacitated before she can file the complaint, and she has no known parents, grandparents, or guardian, the state shall initiate the criminal action in her behalf. The offended party, even if a minor, has the right to initiate the prosecution of the offenses of seduction, abduction, and acts of lasciviousness, independently of her parents, grandparents, or guardian may file the same. The right of file of action granted to parents, grandparents, guardian, shall be exclusive of all other persons and shall be exercised successively in the order herein provided, except as stated in the preceding paragraph. No criminal action for defamation, which consists in the imputation of any of the offenses mentioned above, shall be brought except at the instance of and upon complaint filed by the offended party. The prosecution for violation shall be governed by the provision thereof.